Hi beautiful people, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing okay. Good to see you all again today. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. So today I'm reaching out to you guys from my kitchen. So I have few, sorry about the noise, my kids can't keep quiet. They make a whole lot of noise every single minute. So guys, we'll be doing a lot of things, this, that, just one, pinching out every single corner. We'll be doing, especially my farming. I'll be showing you guys my little farm here in abroad. So guys, I just want to have that feeling of being an African woman. So I'll be showing you guys my garden where I farm. So guys, stay tuned. You want to see how this farm is gonna go when it starts growing up, start having some seed. We just have to enjoy this together, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye bye. So look at my skin, it's kind of a little too rough. Kind of having a lot of rashes all over my face, but that will be taken care of once I'm ready. Okay guys, this is my little garden in my backyard. So I already started this farming process. What I have done so far, I kind of raked all the dust, all the dirty stuff that was in that area. I removed all of them with the assistance of my husband, of course. I don't want to take all the credit here. So he helped me in raking every single thing out. So after raking them out, we kind of dig a hole. We kind of dig little holes, and you can see these are the tomatoes. So what I have here so far is tomatoes. So we dig all the holes where I will be transferring the crops, the tomato that I have in the cup, into the soil. So he helped me out in doing this part as well. So after that, and these are the plants that I'll be transferring into those holes that I dug. So after that, I proceeded in transferring all the plants. And these are the soil. I have some soil. It's called a garden soil. So these are the soil that I'll be pouring on the garden after I'm done transferring all the tomatoes from the cup to the soil. So I'll be adding this garden soil to it for assistance, for a lot of, just to give it a little bit of support. And here is my onions. So I have about 4 of those onions as well, and they are doing pretty good. So this is how I transfer my plants. I'm going to be showing you guys how I transfer my plants from the cup to the soil. So I use my kitchen knife. Of course, I don't have the regular big knife. So, and this is my farm. I live here in US. So I don't have the big regular knife. So I'm using a kitchen knife, strong kitchen knife. So I dig the hole. Once I dig them up, I just gradually squeeze the cup and I get the soil out, the plants. So this is the tomatoes. So I'll just go ahead and flip them over and transfer them right to the soil, and then use the sand, just go around it gradually and support every single corner. So just like that. So if you're living abroad and you're feeling you can't farm, or you can't have a crop behind your backyard, you can definitely do that, as long as you're not going to destroy your lawn. So that's the only problem, you don't want to destroy your lawn. So I just transferred that, and I did that to every single one that you have seen so far that I did. So this is how I transferred every single one of them. So you have to be very careful, because you don't want to break it, because once it's broken, it's dead. Oh la la. You can't do anything about it. So you just have to be careful when you're transferring those plants, because they are very fragile. You don't want to lose any single one of them, and they are pretty much expensive, about $3. I think $3 each of the cup, those plants, each of them is $3. So maybe by next year I will start earlier, and then I'll have to buy the tomato seed and then plant them by myself. But I was kind of running out of time, so I decided to buy the one that is already made, already planted. That's my little son, I don't know what he's doing. So this is the vegetable and tomatoes fertilizer. So I'll go ahead and just sprinkle every single one of them. My son is just busy raking the lawn, so there's nothing there to be raked, but he just want to keep himself busy. Anyway, so I'll just go ahead and put all the fertilizer around the crops, around the tomatoes. Just pour them in, circle them up, whichever way you want to put it. That's just what I'm doing now. So after I'm done doing all of that, so it's time for me to add, I have to water all the plants. Just gradually make sure I don't use the water to direct to the plant. I just go in a circular motion, just go around until they get enough water. I just keep doing that to every single one of them until they all get enough water in them. And if you don't have the hose, like that hose that I was using, you can as well use your bucket or whatever you have available. Just get water and pour around the crops. That's all you need. As long as there's water in it, that's all that matters. You don't have to have any special equipment, no. So, and this is this video is not actually done today. Today is May 27th. So, and this is about a week ago, about May 20th. That's when I did these plants. But I've been so busy to post this video, so but I'm just editing it today. So I hope that I will be able to finish the editing process and send this out today. So after watering the plants, then I have to go ahead and pour my garden soil on the garden, just to support the plant as well, because you don't want it to be shaky and moving so much. So I add more of those soil just to support. You don't have to do this part if you have enough soil, or if you have enough of, I don't know if you know what I'm trying to say, if you understand what I mean. So if you don't have to do this part that I'm doing right now, if you think that you have enough soil in your garden to support your plants, you don't have to do that. So I'm just doing this because I feel like I need a little bit more soil in my garden. So I bought about four of these garden soil. So I'll go ahead and pour every single one of the bags in this garden and spray them out, supporting the roots so it doesn't shake. So when I look at this video, I kind of see myself looking how fat that I am. So it's not really something funny at all. So when I look at myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm this big, this fat. Looking back from a year ago, I was very, very skinny. So looking at myself right now, how big I've become, it's really so I don't know the right word to use for that. But guys, I'm working on getting back on my weight, the weight that I want to be. I'm just working on getting back on that, and I've already posted a video of my 1 week update. So I think I started my weight loss journey on the 16th of May. So I just posted my 1 week update, and another update will be coming out soon as well. So that was the end of our garden, and here is my delivery that I got from Amazon. I ordered for something for a very long time. Finally, they all came in at once, and there are 4 boxes. One is still on the way, so that one hasn't arrived yet. So when I get any mail, so I have a process that I have to go through before I put that mail inside my house. You know, this virus thing that is going on right now, you don't want to just grab your mail from your door and put them inside your house right away. So my little routine that I do whenever I get any mail delivered to my house is to sanitize them first. So I'm not doing this just for fun, because I don't know if you guys have seen the video that was posted sometime last. I can't remember the exact time that it was posted, but I'm saying based on when I saw the video of someone that was delivering something and then just spat on it. So it's kind of disgusting to watch that. So So guys, what I do once I have any mail delivery, I do this for every single mail that I receive. So I put my gloves on and my mask, and I was just coming back from a little jogging, like my exercise, just running around the street. So when I came back, I saw that mail at my door. So I went inside and grabbed my disinfectant spray and made sure I spray every single part of the box with my gloves on. So I spray like very good. I don't care if the stuff ran out. That's not my problem. I make sure that I spray and clean. I spray every corner and clean them, spray at the bottom as well, every single corner. Sometimes I even spray them like twice. So that's what I do. I do this like every single time. You know, whenever I get any mail, I have to like sanitize them back and front, and then clean them up. And I don't even open it right away. After sanitizing them, I will take them inside my house and set them there for like a day or two. So like this box that I just sanitized right now, they are still right in my house. I haven't opened them yet. So guys, but I'll be opening this on this channel, and I will open this box one at a time. I ordered a lot of stuff, and I don't know what is on each of the boxes. So these are like a mystery box for me right now. Like I said before, I know stuff that I ordered a lot of stuff, but they all came back at the same time. So I don't know which one is in each box. So I have to like open the box to know what is inside. So guys, it's gonna be a fun box to reveal, you know. It's called mystery box. So this is like a mystery box to me right now. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because by next week I'll be opening all these boxes one at a time to know what it is in them. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been so interesting. So after sanitizing them, I just go ahead and throw out all the stuff. So I also have a mail that was delivered at the same time. So like I said, I go through this. I just sprayed the mails with the disinfectant spray. I don't know, I don't have to like mention the brand that I'm using. So you can use whatever kind of disinfectant spray that you have and do this, as long as you're disinfecting your stuff. That's my son, you know. So after that, I go ahead and disinfect my door knobs, because I want to make sure that it did not touch your doors, with in case if there was any kind of virus on the boxes at all. So you just want to make sure you sanitize every corner as well, and take off my gloves and trash them in my garbage can outside the house. Okay guys, so that's just the routine. I just want to like share my routine, what I do whenever I receive any mail, any delivery, how I sanitize them before taking them inside my house. So I hope you guys, you know, enjoy watching that routine, sanitizing routine of mail delivery or package delivery. So right now it's getting very late. Yeah, I think it's almost close to 6 o'clock. And it's time for me to go have some dinner. So today I'll be making it's almost 6 o'clock, as you can see. That's 5:39. So it's almost 6 o'clock. So I'll be making some Irish potatoes with some little stew with mackerel and hard chicken. So but I don't think I'll have enough time to like video this food that I'm about to make for dinner, because I'm already tired from all the work. All my body is already aching. So but I'll show you guys once I'm done cooking. Okay, my food is done. So look at that stew. I wish I recorded this stew, but you know what? I can still do this next time and record them. So I always reach out to my favorite stuff, which is the head of the fish. I'll go ahead and take my favorite part of the fish, which is the head, and put them in there. And then, so like I told you guys, I'm watching my weight, so I will not be having so much. I can have a lot of meat or fish, but I will not be having a lot of the potatoes. I have about 5 pieces. So the stew was a little too much, so I decided to take out some and then add. You can be quiet. And then add a little bit more of stew. So look at that stew, it's looking so nice, and it tastes. It came out so delicious. I wish I recorded this, but you know what? I'll still do this next time. So that's all I'm having for dinner tonight, and this is my second meal for the day. So like my weight loss journey, I eat when I'm hungry, not eat because it's breakfast, or I eat because lunch or dinner. I eat based on when I'm hungry. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe please, and then put the notification bell on, and I will see you guys next on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.